A very good morning, dear children. I think you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. Yes, children, in the last class we have completed our poem Mr. Caterpillar. Yes, children, in the last class we have completed our poem Mr. Caterpillar. Yes, children, so what we have learned in this poem, children? Yes, we have learned that the boy is wondering about the caterpillar and he wonders what a caterpillar got. Yes, children? Yes, we have learned that in this picture, look at this picture, the boy is wondering about the caterpillar and he wonders what a caterpillar got. तो बच्चों हमने लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या पढ़ा? यस, हमने देखा कि जो चाइल्ड है, जो बच्चा है, वो क्या कर रहा है, वो वंडर है, वो थिंक कर रहा है. यस, कि ये जो कैटरपिलर है, तो ये कैटरपिलर को देखता है और वो थिंक करता है कि कैटरपिलर के पास क्या क्या है. What has a caterpillar got? Feet that are dancing to the beat. तो उसको वो देखता है कि कैटरपिलर के पास तो इतने सारे पैर्स हैं. यस, और वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो बीट पे क्या कर रहे हैं, डांस कर रहे हैं. यस, सो द बॉय थिंक्स that the caterpillar has many feet and that are dancing to the beat. As children, the boy is wonder about the caterpillar and he wonders that the caterpillar has got many feet. Yes, the way the caterpillar waves, he feels that the caterpillar are dancing because of his way of moving. Yes, children. So here then we have learned that why when I have only two, can't my feet do what a caterpillars do too? What the caterpillars do too, can't my feet do? Yes, can't my feet do what the caterpillars do too? So why I have only 2 feet? Yes, the boy is thinking and questioning herself, and the boy is comparing himself to the caterpillar, and he is thinking, why I have 2 legs, I have 2 feet, and the caterpillar has many feet. Yes, why I have only 2 feet? Can't my feet do what the caterpillars do too? मेरे पैर क्यों, मेरे पास ही क्यों 2 फीट हैं. यस, मेरे पास इतने फीट्स क्यों नहीं हैं? क्या मैं वो नहीं कर सकता जो कैटरपिलर्स कर सकता है? यस, सो द चाइल्ड कंपेयरिंग हिमसेल्फ विथ द कैटरपिलर एंड द चाइल्ड wants to dance to the beat of music. Yes, like caterpillar. Yes, तो बच्चों, we have learned this in our last class and we have completed our poem. Yes, children. So in today's class, we will discuss the question answers evaluate part. Okay, children. What has a caterpillar got? Feet that are dancing to the beat. Why? When I have only 2, can't my feet do what caterpillars do too? Yes, so children, now see here, understanding the poem, read these sentences, write T for true and F for false. Okay, so what we have to do, children, we have to read these sentences, and if the sentence is true, then we have to write T, and if the sentence is false, then we have to write F. Okay, तो बच्चों हमें क्या करना है, ये जो सेंटेंसेस हैं उन्हें पढ़ना है. अगर ये सेंटेंस ट्रू हो, मीन्स सच हो, तो हमें वहाँ पे टी लिखना है. अगर ये सेंटेंस फॉल्स हो, तो हमें वहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, एफ लिखना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट्स रीड द सेंटेंसेस. ओके चिल्ड्रन, द कैटरपिलर हैज़ फीट दैट कैन नॉट डांस. डू यू थिंक? No, this is false. Yes, the caterpillar has so many feet and that are dancing to the beat. Yes, so this sentence is false. So here what we have to write? We have to write F. Okay. So children, now the child compares himself to the caterpillar. Yes, here this sentence is false and this is right. Yes, children. So here the sentence is false, here the sentence is right. Okay. So children, now the child compares himself to the caterpillar. Yes, this is true. Yes, we have learned that in this poem the child is comparing himself to the caterpillar. Yes, now turn the page. Now let's read the third sentence. The child is happy with her 2 feet. Yes, the child is happy with his 2 feet. Is this true? No, the child is not happy with his 2 feet. He wants more feet like caterpillar. Yes, he is thinking that why I have only 2 feet and caterpillar have so many feet. So the child is not happy with his 2 feet. Yes. So here the sentence they have given that the child is happy with his 2 feet. Yes. So this is false. So what we have to write here? We have to write here F. ओके तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि जो चाइल्ड है वो क्या है अपने 2 फीट पे खुश है, 2 फीट के साथ खुश है. बस दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू. एस जो चाइल्ड क्या है 2 फीट के साथ खुश नहीं है. वो भी चाहता है कि उसके भी क्या हो कैटरपिलर के जैसे बहुत सारे फीट हो और वो भी क्या कर सके जो बीट पे वो भी डांस कर सके. एस सो नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ वन. एस दिस इज फॉल्स. नाउ He wants to dance to the beat of music. Yes, this is true. वो जो चाइल्ड है वो क्या करना चाहता है कैटरपिलर के जैसे वो भी अपने बीट पे क्या कर बीट के साथ वो भी म्यूज़िक के साथ क्या करना चाहता है डांस करना चाहता है. She wants to dance to the beat of music. Yes, so this is true. Yes children, this is false, this is true. Okay. Now come to the language in use. Look at these words: dance, hop, gallop, run. Yes. So इस words को देखो बच्चों, dance, hop, gallop, run. Yes. These words tell us what people or animal do. Yes. Such words are called action words or dancing words. Like now I am reading. Now I am teaching. Yes. So these are action words. Yes, like teach, read, dance, hop, gallop, run. Yes, write. These are doing words. Yes, children, these are doing words. So these words tell us what people or animal do. Yes, तो ये वर्ड्स हमें क्या बताते हैं जो क्या काम हो रहा है. What words? These words tell us what people or animals do. Such words are called action words or doing words. Okay, जो हमें एक्शन हो रहा है ये बताते हैं. Yes, जो क्या एक्शन हो रहा है क्या कर रहे हैं डांस, hop, gallop, run. This is action. Yes children, so these are action words like dance, hop, gallop, run, read, write, eat, sleep, dance. Yes, so such words are called action words. Is that clear? So children, now see here, come to the section A. Look at the pictures and underline the right option. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है बच्चों? Look at this picture. Yes, and underline the right option. Yes, so tell me, the boy flies a kite or goes a kite? No. Here look at this picture. Here look at this boy and look at this kite. Yes, so children, the boy flies a kite. Okay, so the here right option is flies. F-I-L-I-E-S. F-L-I-E-S. Yes, F-L-I-E-S is the right option. The boy flies a kite. Yes, look at this in this picture. Yes children, so now the girl holds a pink cycle or the girl rides a pink cycle. Which one is right? Look at this picture here. The girl rides a pink cycle. Yes, look at this picture. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स पे आप देख सकते हो जो गर्ल है वो क्या है एक पिंक कलर की बाइसिकल पे बैठी है, राइड्स कर रही है. Yes, the girl rides a pink bicycle. So here the rides option is right. Rides, R-I-D-E-S. Yes, the first one flies is right and then second one rides. Okay, the girl rides a pink cycle. So the words like flies, rides, yes, these are action words, doing words. Okay, she takes rings the bell or she rings the bell? She rings the bell. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. Look at in this picture. Yes, she rings the bell. The children are happy or angry? Children, look at in this picture and tell me that the children are happy or sad? They are very happy. Yes, they are very happy. Yes, we can say in this picture. So the children are happy. Yes, the children are happy. So children flies, rides, then rings, happy are doing words, action words. These words tell us what people or animal do. Yes, such words are called action words or doing words. इज़ दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? आपको बच्चों समझ में आया? जो हमें कोई एक्शन हो रहा है या फिर कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसे वर्ड्स हमें बताते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्शन वर्ड्स. जैसे कि यहाँ पे फ्लाइज, राइड्स, रिंग्स, ये क्या है? एक्शन वर्ड्स है. इजंट इट? So now come to the section B. Match the male names of the animals in column A and with the female names in column B. So here, so children, horse, a male horse is called mare. Okay children, a male horse called is mare, and a bull, a male cow is called cow. Lion, lions, lioness, and tiger, tigress. Then deer, doe. Okay, so what we have to do, हमें क्या करना है बच्चों? हमें ए और बी को मैच करना है. यहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स दे गए हैं, जो एनिमल्स के नेम दिए हैं, वो हमें फीमेल, जिस फीमेल को हम क्या कहते हैं वो बताना है. ओके, अ फीमेल हॉर्स इज कॉल्ड मेयर एंड अ बुल, अ फीमेल काउ, अ बुल कॉल्ड इज काउ, अ फीमेल काउ is called cow, a female horse is called male, and a female lion is called lioness, and a female tiger is called tigress. Yes, tigress, and a female deer is called doe. Is that clear children? Now turn the page. This is your homework. You have to do it and send it to me. The baby animals have gone far away from their mothers. Draw lines to help them find their mothers. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो बच्चों, जो बेबी एनिमल्स हैं वो क्या हो गए हैं? अपनी मम्मा से दूर हो गए हैं, वो बिछड़ गए हैं, वो रास्ता भूल गए हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, आपको क्या करना है? उन्हें घर तक पहुँचाना है, उन्हें अपनी मम्मा के पास पहुँचाना है. विल यू डू दिस? विल यू डू दिस चिल्ड्रन? क्या आप ये करोगे? इस जो छोटे जो बेबी एनिमल्स हैं, क्या आप उन्हें उनकी मम्मा तक पहुंचाएंगे? सो ओके, डू दिस एंड सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, आई विल सी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, डू इट and without fail send it to my personal number. Okay, so children, this is your homework. Okay, and till then stay home, stay safe. In the next class we will learn the next chapter, My Red Bicycle. Okay, so children, stay home, stay happy. Okay, so children, take care of yourself. Okay, don't eat junk food, take care of yourself. Bye bye children.